Good day, boys and girls. My name is Coach Miguel and welcome to Jiu-Jitsu. Joined with me today we have Tanner and Bailey, and the technique we're going to be doing today is the single leg takedown. First things first, we're going to start in a fighting stance. 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind. Next, we're going to get our grips. One grip on the collar or around the neck, either is fine, and other grip on the elbow. Next, we're going to be doing a big snap, changing our level, and grab the leg. Ear to chest, grab the belt, arm in, step and turn. Then we cross face, cradle, bulldog, smash and mount, double wrist control. Very nice. Let's do that one more time. Up on your feet, fighting stance. Get your grips, grabbing the collar or around the neck. Then we're going to do a big snap. Change our level, grab the leg. Ear to chest, arm in, grab the belt. Step and turn. Cross face, cradle, bulldog. Smash and mount, double wrist control. Very nice. Up on your feet, guys. Fighting stance. Get your grips, snap, change your level, grab the leg. Ear to chest, arms tight, grab the belt, arm in. Step and turn. Cross face, cradle, bulldog. Knees off the ground. One more time. Let's go. Up on our feet. Fighting stance. Get your grips. Snap. Change your level. Grab the leg. Ear to chest. Arms tight. Grab the belt. Arm in. Step and turn. Cross face cradle. Bulldog. Smash and mount, double wrist control. Very nice. And help your buddy up. And now we're going to play a little game in order for us to start applying the technique that we just learned. So this is how the game works. These two guys and girl, or this guy and girl, is going to stand together in a fighting stance. The mission of the game is to grab the leg for 3 seconds. As soon as you grab the leg with your ear to chest for 3 seconds, you win the game. Fighters, are you ready? Ready and fight. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. And that is a win for Tanner. One more game. Fighting stance. Ready, fight. And that's a win for Bailey. Very nice. Now you guys can try and feel free to rewind the video and watch it over as many times as you would like. Right, now it's time to play a second game. This time we're going to start with a single leg. So Tanner's going to grab Bailey's leg, starting with his ear on the chest. And now the mission of the game is you have 10 seconds to try and get your partner down. The person who is standing must try their best not to fall down and hop on their legs so that they don't. All right. Now, fighters ready? Very nice. And fight. And Tanner wins the game. Stand up again. One more round. Fighting stance. Now Bailey's going to grab the leg, ear to chest, and now they're going to fight. Right, fighters ready? Let's fight. And that's a win for Coach Bailey. Very nice. Now it's your turn to try. Very nice, boys and girls. That's today's workout. Now time for our cool down. Today, our cool down is going to be 5 big bridges with our hips going all the way up to the sky. Ready? Let's go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bonus 1, 6. Very nice. Up on your feet. Thank you, boys and girls. That's today's jiu-jitsu session. 1, 2, boss.